Welcome to Homework Lib.
Hello students, we have given that the probability that a Republican approves of the death penalty is 74%. So probability P is equal to 0.74. And then if 13 Republicans are selected at random, so that is sample size n is equal to 13, then we have to calculate the probability that exactly 10 approve of the death penalty. So suppose x is the random variable, which is the number of Republicans that approves the death penalty, then x follows the binomial distribution with parameters n is equal to 13 and probability p is equal to 0.74, and the probability distribution function of the binomial is given by the formula probability of x is equal to x, that is equal to ncx into p raised to x into 1 minus p raised to n minus x, where x is from 0, 1 to up to n. So now this is equal to 13 cx into 0.74 raised to x into 1 minus 0.74 raised to 13 minus x. And now the required probability, that is probability of x is equal to 10. So we have to substitute the value of x here, 13 C10 into 0.74 raised to 10 into 1 minus 0.74 raised to 13 minus 10, and that is equal to 0.248. So this is the required probability. Then also we have to calculate the probability that at least 11 approve of the death penalty. So probability of x is greater than or equal to 11, this is equal to probability of x is equal to 11 plus probability of x is equal to 12 plus probability of x is equal to 13. So this is equal to 13C11 into 0.74 raised to 11 into 1 minus 0.74, that means 0.26 raised to 13 minus 11, that is 2, plus 13C12 into 0.74 raised to 12 into 0.26 raised to 1 plus 13C13 into 0.74 raised to 13 into 0.26 raised to 13 minus 13, that is 0, and that is equal to 0.1921 plus 0.0911 plus 0.0199, and which is equal to 0.303. So this is the required probability. Then next we have to find the mean number that approve of the death penalty, and we know the formula for the mean. So for that we have the value of n is equal to 490, probability p is same, which is 0.74. Therefore mean is equal to n into p, and now this is equal to 490 into 0.74, that is equal to 362.6. And then we have to calculate the standard deviation of the binomial distribution. So the formula for the standard deviation is n into p into q, and this is inside the square root sign, where q is 1 minus p. So this is 490 into 0.74 into 1 minus 0.74, and this is inside the square root sign, which is equal to square root of 94.276, and that is 9.710. So this is the required standard deviation. I hope you find this video useful. Thank you.